Yeah, man. This is how Stacks Music does it. Sean Stacks, we out here. Big event coming up today. Over 800 people, 5 to 10, let's get it. This is how I'm rocking today. This is what it takes to be a boss. Check out the setup though. The setup is crucial. Got me a cold setup right now.